Hi everybody, welcome to Audio Depot. I'm your host John, and we are very excited to unbox the very first brand new Kenwood motorcycle kit. It's called a P-HD3FR, and let's just jump right into it. Let's get this thing going. You guys can see for the first time what I've seen. All right, this works on 2014 and up street glides, ultras, and road glides. Okay. First box. Okay, these are 6x9s that would go back in the saddlebags. Okay, and I was actually lucky enough to see this in a motorcycle at Knowledge Fest just a couple months ago. Okay, what I like about this is that they're optimized for the airspace in the saddlebag. Okay, so what that means is that there's an enclosure that is created by the saddlebag, and these are designed by the engineers at Kenwood to get the most out of it. But as you know, they're going to be facing up, and you may get water in there. But don't worry about it. There is a butyl rubber insert right underneath the tweeter so that you can't damage the speaker or get water into your saddlebag. So check that out. Kenwood has an in-depth training on that. So we got one set of 6x9s to go in the back saddlebags. Okay, and here we go. These are 6.5-inch two-ways to go in the fairing. Gotta love it. Also, again, 2014 and up, and it's 2-year warranty because it's all Kenwood Excelon. Gotta love it. All right, and okay, here we go. Not one, but two 80-watt amplifiers that fit snug right inside the fairing. There's one, and there's two. All right, there you go. And then everything else is basically how to cut the lids to perfectly fit in your 6x9s. 6x9 cut-in lid kit right there. Gotta love it. We've done many of these types of things over the years, and I saw what the results were when I was at Knowledge Fest. It was fantastic. So 2014 and up, street glide, ultra, and road glide, and then you can go online and you can see where they fit. The thing that I love about this, you do not have to flash the radio from the Harley. You do not have to go in, pay somebody to take out the equalization problem and fix it. These automatically work out of the box. Okay, so there you have it. 2 amplifiers, mini amplifiers, 80 watts by 2, front 6.5 two ways, and then 6x9s for the back. What more could you want? And a 2-year warranty. So come on down to Audio Depot, check it out, or you can go to kenwoodusa.com and see all this, and see for yourself. I think that it's going to be a home run, and I've talked to several people that just got them put in down in Galveston about a week and a half ago or so, and everybody loves them. Couldn't keep them in stock. If you need anything, let us know. Our number is 817-466-2441. You can go to shopaudioDepot.com and see our full line of gear. And if you need anything, we're here Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7. Have a great one.